The cycle of obesity is something I discovered when I was working to try to lose weight myself. I was obese for many, many years. I was 240 at my highest.
240. We've got a picture of you when you were at your highest.
Great.
Aren't you glad we have that? So there you were, and how much weight did you lose?
Well, I lost about 65 pounds, and I kept it off because I realized, and this is why I'm very, very passionate about this, I realized that weight loss is more contributed by a cycle. It's not just about overeating. There's a whole cycle that contributes to that. There's stress, anxiety that leads to depression, that leads to overeating. Your guilt mounts up, and that guilt keeps going and going and going, and more anxiety, more depression, more eating. Next thing you know, you're in a spiraling cycle. But you know what? You can break this cycle. Kids know from very early on when they feel full. But also, if they're picking a lot at dinner time or at lunchtime, be careful, because what kids do is they graze all day long, and that's not good either. We're teaching them to do that as adults too, and this is another issue why we have obesity.